Mani Bhaumik. Mani Bhaumik, I would request all the youngsters to read his biography, autobiography. His autobiography is titled Code Name God. The Code Name God is a very brilliant autobiography. He is a person, this Mani Bhaumik is a person who hailed from a village in Bengal. He has seen poverty. His father was arrested during the British regime for involving himself in the freedom struggle. He had to walk 3 kilometers a day barefooted to the school. Ultimately, when he got a seat in the IIT, Kharagpur or so, all the villagers pooled their resources, paid for him to go and join the IIT. After completing his education, interestingly, in IIT, he fell in love with a girl. That girl asked him, when he proposed, the girl asked him, "What is your status in life to propose to me? You are nobody. You have nothing in life. You do not even own a house. You are a pauper. How dare you propose to me?" Ultimately, this man never married in life. He went to States. He worked in several institutions. He completed PhD, etc. All of you must have heard about this LASIK technology, LASIK, LASIK technology by which the cataract is removed from the eye. LASIK technology is named, it was invented by him in coordination with somebody else. Since this man's name is Mani Bhaumik, the last two alphabets, IK, laser technology he invented. Therefore, the technology is named as LASIK. Those two letters, IK, stands for the last two alphabets of Mani Bhaumik. He received a lot of royalty for the invention. With this royalty, he has created so many charities in the world, one of which was the largest ever donation made in recent times to the tune of about $11 million to the university where he pursued his higher education. The entire village, he has, the village in which he was born, he has made the entire village educated now with the money that. Therefore, all that, the lesson that we learn from all this is this. At the time when he gained admission to IIT, it was those villagers who pooled their small resources, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, etc. It does not depend upon the quantum of money that you donate, does not really matter, but the time at which you make, the person to whom you make, and his necessity, which is what actually determines the quality of service that you do. It is always said that the hands that serve are holier than the lips that pray. You must have come across another story about an engineering graduate from Bangalore. He studied pre-university. He was a person working under an agent of the Times of India. He used to cycle in the neighborhood to distribute this Times of India newspaper. When he was in the 9th standard, the school did not allow him to continue studies because he did not pay the fees. When he asked for monetary help from one of the neighbors where he was distributing the papers, the neighbor wanted to check up whether his credentials are true or not. Therefore, the neighbor telephoned to the school and paid the fee directly to the school. Well, nowadays, we come across many such stories. Thereafter, that neighbor, whom this boy did not know very intimately, they were not family friends, they started paying his fee up to 12th standard. Thereafter, he got a scholarship. He completed his BTech from one of the universities in Bangalore. And last year, he got an admission to the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. When he got an admission to IIM Ahmedabad, the picture that Times of India carried showed this boy carrying Times of India newspapers in a bicycle, and it carried the news, Times of India sub-agent cracks IIM Ahmedabad examination. That is not important. When Times of India interviewed him as to what was his goal in life, he said something very interesting. He said, now I am entering into IIM. In a period of 2 years, I would come out with flying colors, I am sure. But after I come out, I may certainly get many good offers for employment. I would not like to take any employment. I have come to this stage in life only because of the contributions made by many people. Therefore, the only way I can repay my debt to the society is to start a charitable trust and work for the welfare of the downtrodden people who are not able to send their children to schools and colleges. I would not like to earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees as income by getting into some employment, but I would like to give back to society what people have given to me. There lies the joy of giving.